Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Mason and I are on our morning walk. He's being a little fussy right now, so we came to this little bench to sit. But I think we're gonna get walking again. Look at the little bird, Mason. He's coming to say hi. Look at that little duck. What the heck is that? Is that considered a duck? I'm an idiot. I don't know. Such a good walk this morning. It's so beautiful out here and it's like cool outside. There's a little turtle in the water. I can't wait till he's old enough to like appreciate that stuff. I can like show him the little ducks. Oh, I love that I just caught that on camera as soon as I said ducks. We are back home from our walk and I just put Mason down for a nap. And I'm about to start the crock pot for dinner tonight. Making a garlic parmesan chicken pasta. I've never made it before, but we're gonna try it out. Okay, the crock pot is on and ready, and I just cut up some hard-boiled eggs, some salt and pepper. And then I need to clean up this house and get things going. And I think Mason's waking up. You guys have not met sweet Ranger boy yet. Ranger is our new puppy that we got right before Christmas. He's not a puppy. I'm calling him a puppy, but he's not. He is a rescue who was actually in foster care for 2 years, and we decided to adopt him. He is such a sweet boy, but he definitely has gone through like some trauma because he's quite skittish. Something that we are trying to work out of him slowly but surely. He's come a really long way. Like, he literally wouldn't even let us pet him when we first got him, and now he's super lovable, but he does get like freaked out often. Trooper is such a chill dog though, and he's like a really good influence for him. So yeah, you giving me kisses? But Trooper is so happy. I was just feeling absolutely terrible ever since having Mason because Trooper basically was like my son, and like he got so much love and attention from me, and of course he still does, but like it's just not the same when you have a baby now. Like, obviously so much of my attention is going to Mason, and I just felt really bad for Trooper. I felt like he needed a friend, and then when we go places and we left him alone, I just like felt horrible. So we really wanted to get another dog, and it's something we had talked about like before we had Mason and while I was pregnant, but we wanted to wait till after we had the baby, so I think that it was a good call. But yeah, it's honestly been really nice seeing Trooper have a friend to play with, and they just run around like crazy outside. Ross finished fencing in our backyard a few weeks ago, and they love it back there. They go crazy and run around and explore. It's awesome. I'm just really happy we got him. I just really hope he comes around because he's so sweet. Because I just feel like I don't want him to be scared, you know? I want him to like grow his confidence. Trooper doesn't care about anything. Like, he's so unbothered all the time. Okay, I'm gonna get up and empty the dishwasher. I totally thought that Mason was waking up because I keep looking at the monitor and he's like making noises, but then he just falls back asleep. So loving this, taking advantage of it. Let's clean up a little bit. Mason plays the piano now. He loves it. He's like really good. 2.5 months old. Already playing the piano. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go start your laundry. He's like, cool, I don't care. Okay, I am dressed. I have Mason next to me in this bouncer. We will see how long this lasts before he is demanding my attention. But I am just putting on some makeup really quick, and I actually have my iron infusions today. It's my last one. I've had 3 total. You guys might remember, if you've been following me for a while, I had to have them last year, or the year before last year, when I got pregnant. Or before I got pregnant. Oh my god, mom brain is real. Anyway, and being pregnant depleted me of my iron again, so I ended up getting blood work done and needed to get them again. Which is good because honestly, when you're deficient in iron, you are just so tired all the time, and it just really takes it out of you. I'm already exclusively breastfeeding, and that alone is like tiring and exhausting, so on top of it being anemic, no fun. I'm excited to get this last infusion done. I just finished pumping because I have to make sure that I have a bottle for Ross to feed Mason while I'm gone because it's like a 90-minute infusion. So I'm like gone for like 2 hours and he will inevitably have to eat during that time. Almost out of concealer. I'm like scraping the sides of this.
Mason's got hiccups.
I'm trying to curl my hair super fast because he's starting to get fussy and I'm like running out of time too.
Check out this fire pit that Ross and I literally trash picked. Great find. You reading your book?
I'm making a quick coffee to go and then we are heading out. Mason is definitely ready for a nap. I'm back home. I just chopped up some parsley for a topping and then we're also gonna add some red pepper flakes to this. And I'm just boiling the noodles. Yes, I have it like halfway on there because this thing keeps overflowing even though I turned the temp down. So finished with my iron infusions. Oh, I need to take this band off. But they went good and I'm done with that. It's the next day and it's already 1 o'clock and I haven't even gotten ready yet. But I have been super productive. I've been getting a lot of stuff done on my to-do list that I have just been like putting off for a long time. I have like really bad executive dysfunction and it takes me like freaking forever to do a task that is on my list. Like, I don't know why. I just like get stuck on that first step, but I got a bunch of stuff checked off and I feel really good about it. I just had some Greek food delivered for lunch. I've never actually tried this place, so I'm excited to try it. Let's do a little taste test. Show you guys what I got first. So I'm not gonna eat all of this right now, but they had a deal if you like order a certain amount, you get like $10 off. So I ordered a Greek salad. The thing I'm gonna eat now is this. Ordered a nice container of tzatziki and a chicken gyro. Just ignore what I look like and the mess behind me. Big giant pita filled with stuff. I don't even know. It has some tzatziki on it. I might just dip to add more, but I'm gonna try it. Here I go. That is so good. I haven't had Greek food in a while. Actually, that's a lie. There's this place that has like food trucks that Ross and I go to sometimes. And we went there a couple weekends ago and we got Greek food. And we actually met this other couple there that had a baby. And it was kind of like late, and by late I mean like maybe 9 p.m. but like that was like late for us to be out with our baby. And so we were surprised because they had like live music. It was a little bit loud, but we were like happy we saw another younger couple there. So we were like talking with them for a little bit. Anyway, I don't even know where I was going with this. I'm like actually starving. One thing about breastfeeding is it makes you so hungry all the time. Like I've never eaten more in my life. Okay, I just took all of the pillow covers off of all of our throw pillows and put them in the washer because they got so dirty from the dogs running in and out of our house. And I'm using the little green Bissell to clean the couch because there's just so many marks on it. I mean, even this isn't doing the best job, but I actually should have recorded what it looked like before because there were so many marks on this from the dog's paws. I ordered 2 of these protective couch cover things that are supposed to help. My sister recommended it. Hopefully these help. I don't know. I don't love the idea of having these on the couch because I just know it's gonna like ruin the look of the couch, but I'd rather protect it. So we're gonna do that. I'm pumping right now, so if you hear that, that is what that is. Anyways, I'm thinking about opening up this tummy time mat that we got for Mason. This is something I put on his registry and he's almost 3 months, so I feel like it's a good time to introduce this. Okay, here's what it looks like. You have to blow it up and put water in it. So I'm gonna do that and then hopefully I can do my nails.
Do you like it? Is it cool? Is it cool? I think he likes it. It's pretty cool.
He's holding his head up so much better. I swear, just like within the last week, he just made this like huge turnaround with his head and like the neck control. It's crazy.
I'm so proud of him.
Our Instacart order just got delivered. I've been using Instacart a lot lately because it's just a lot to travel places now that I have a baby, and I love shopping at Sprouts. They have like the best selection for organic, gluten-free stuff. So a bit later, I made some meatballs, which I've never done before, but I'm doing pasta tonight, so I thought it would be fun to have meatballs with it because I usually just do like a meat sauce. I just put on a nice little face mask. This is the Clarins Cryo Flash Cream face mask. This face mask is so good. There's literally stuff on the front of it. I'm not even gonna clean that off and retake this clip because you know why? I'm a slob and the world should know it. Anyways, yes, I do really like this face mask. It is super, super cooling. It feels like there's like ice on my face right now. I really like it. And I did my nails. I did them this blue color, and then I like couldn't decide if I wanted to do an undercoat of this like iridescent like color. So these two have the iridescent color and then the other ones don't. I don't even know what I was thinking. I was just like testing out. This side I did all regular. Literally. I don't know. Again, I'm like so scatterbrained since becoming a mom, and I feel like everything's like a time crunch. So this is my life now. But while Mason is nice and content out there playing because he just had his bottle, I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes because it's honestly disgusting how long it's been since I've cleaned them. It's been months and I should be doing that more often. So we're gonna do that while this face mask is settling in. I've been using baby muslin washcloths to wipe off my face, or like anytime I am washing my face, and they're so much better than a normal rag, I swear, because it's like way softer. I have like 100 of them because I don't know, I just like got too many, way more than I needed for Mason, and I just decided to start using them for my face, and it's way better. They're so much softer, which I feel like is better because it's like more gentle for your skin. Mason just had his shower with me. We've been doing like showers instead of baths once in a while, which is kind of nice because I just bring him in the shower with me. We're getting ready for bed. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.